Attention, severe weather ahead. Please stay tuned for our special announcement.
Hello, I'm Megan. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode for Warning Severe Weather Ahead. Today I have invited a panel of experts to join me to discuss blizzards. Do you know that there are snowstorms that happen in the winter? Our first guest is Noah, a meteorologist. Noah, what characteristics do you find a blizzard?
Blizzards are snowstorms that have heavy snow with lots of wind.
What season does a blizzard usually appear in?
It usually appears in the winter.
What is one example from history when this weather has been the most severe?
In Buffalo, New York, in 1927, 23 people died due to a 5-day blizzard.
Our final guest is Lance, our worker from FEMA. What can people do to prepare for a blizzard?
People can fill bathtubs with water and send snowplows out on the roads. The National Weather Service sends out special weather warnings and watches.
Thank you to our panel for being here today. We are all better informed and prepared to face a blizzard. Now, tune in again tomorrow for the next episode for Severe Weather Ahead.